Hey guys, hope you're well. So today I just want to do a quick video on how to back up your Rotorflight configuration. So it's super easy. So I'm logged into Rotorflight. I am on, I've got my model that I like in TB40. I've got it all configured in here. It's all set up and ready, and I'm happy with where things are at. So now all I want to do is make sure that I back it up in case anything happens and I lose my configuration. I could just restore it. Also, if I make any changes and then I ruin anything and I can't remember what my original values were, again, I can just restore this. So it's super simple. All I'm going to do is go to this CLI and I'm going to write dump all. I'm not really sure why it's called dump because it feels like you're deleting stuff. But if you do dump all and click enter, okay, that's basically dumping all your settings into a text file, and it's going to take a few seconds and then it's done. So it's finished. So I'm going to say save to file, and I've already saved both my other models. So I'm going to copy just the name here and I'm going to rename this TB40 and I'm going to save that. Okay, so that's saved it. So if I go to this folder, I've got my TB40 file there. So I could open that, we could have a look inside it. So you could see the file name is TB40. And basically it's a pretty long text file there, but it just has all the settings that you basically have in your Rotorflight. Okay, so I'm going to, let's just close that. Save, close that. Okay, so now if I go to leave this, by the way, if you try and click anywhere else and say, you basically need to say exit. So if you say go back, what you need to write here is exit, enter, and then you're back into, it's going to connect automatically, and you're back into your Rotorflight settings. So if I was to go to profiles, for example, and I was to change one of these values, let's say I change that to, so I'm in profile 2 here. So let's say I've changed that to 150. And I changed that to 150 and I made some other changes, etc. And then I've messed everything up and I don't know how to get back to where I was, or anything else happened and I just want to restore this. I could go back to CLI. I believe you could go load from file and then you could say TB40 open. Okay, so that's fine. Say execute there, and that basically loads it. Now it's going to take about a minute roughly to load everything, and once it's finished, you literally don't need to do anything. You don't need to click save or anything. It will literally just do it. So let's just wait for it. Okay guys, so it's finished, and it literally disconnected once it finished and it reconnected automatically. So as you can see, I'm connected. And now if I go back to my profiles, profile 2, that's gone back to 100. So all my settings have gone back to where they need to be. So it's literally as simple as that. Guys, it's a really good idea to back up your models, your Rotorflight configuration for your models, just in case anything happens. So hopefully you've learned something new. So yeah, like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and have a good day.